Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the coolest abilities in the animal kingdom, reptile regeneration. Have you ever wondered how reptiles can lose a body part, like a tail, and then just regrow it? Let's dive in and learn some fascinating facts about this unique survival skill. So, here's the deal. Geckos are one of the most famous reptiles when it comes to regeneration. When they're threatened by a predator, they can detach their tails, a process called autotomy. What's amazing is that the tail continues to move, distracting the predator, while the gecko makes a quick escape. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The gecko can regrow its tail, although it takes a few weeks. The new tail isn't an exact match to the original. It's made of cartilage, instead of bone. And it lacks the intricate design and color of the original tail. Still, it's a remarkable adaptation. Now, let's talk about iguanas. Not only can iguanas regenerate their tails, but some species can also regenerate parts of their spine. Yes, you heard that right, regenerating the spine. This gives them an extra layer of survival, especially when they're attacked by predators. However, much like geckos, the regrown body parts aren't as perfect as the originals. But the fact that they can do this at all is just incredible. Reptile regeneration doesn't stop at tails. In fact, alligators and turtles can regenerate parts of their skin and scales after injury. While they don't regenerate limbs, this ability helps them heal from wounds in the wild, making them incredibly resilient creatures. But what makes reptile regeneration even more exciting is how it's influencing scientific research. Scientists are closely studying how reptiles regenerate in hopes of applying these discoveries to human medicine. Imagine a future where humans could regrow tissues or even limbs, just like reptiles. While we're not there yet, understanding how reptiles regenerate is giving researchers vital clues about how to activate similar processes in humans. Let's take a step back and appreciate what makes this ability so important for reptiles. For many of these animals, losing a tail could be the difference between life and death. By sacrificing part of their body, they escape predators and live to see another day. And not only do they survive, but they regenerate, getting another chance to thrive in their environment. Here's another fun fact. Some species of salamanders can regenerate their tails, limbs, and even parts of their heart and brain. Although they're amphibians, and not reptiles, it just goes to show how widespread and varied regeneration can be in the animal kingdom. But why don't all reptiles regenerate everything? Well, it's all about evolution and survival. Regenerating a tail is energy intensive, but worth the cost for reptiles, like geckos, that rely on their agility. On the other hand, larger reptiles like crocodiles have less need for this ability because they have fewer natural predators. So, the next time you see a lizard running around your garden, remember, it might have regrown its tail once or twice already. Reptile regeneration is an incredible biological marvel that shows how adaptable and resilient these creatures are. Now, let's take a moment to think, what if humans could harness this power? Imagine recovering from a major injury without the need for complex surgeries. The future possibilities are truly exciting, and all of it is being inspired by the humble reptiles we see around us every day. That's all for today's deep dive into reptile regeneration. We hope you learned something new. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear more cool animal facts, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating content. Drop a comment below and let us know if you could regenerate any part of your body. What would it be? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.